It's early morning, and we're at the Colebrookdale Railroad in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. The Colebrookdale dates back to 1865, when it was built to service industries along the Manatawny and Ironstone Creeks. Known as the Secret Valley Line, the 8.6-mile-long railroad runs south from Boyertown to Pottstown, where it connects to Norfolk Southern's Harrisburg Line. The railroad was built by soldiers who had just returned from the Civil War and began operations in 1869, only 4 months after the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad. The line was leased by the Reading Company until 1976, when it became a part of Conrail. After changing hands several times and coming very close to abandonment, the Colebrookdale Railroad Preservation Trust began operating passenger excursion trains over the railroad in October 2014, breathing new life into the Secret Valley Line. At 3:30 p.m. sharp, today's train, the Easter Bunny Express, heads south from Boyertown. These hills were once home to a vibrant iron-making industry. When Thomas Rudder of Germantown, Pennsylvania, erected the first ironwork at Pine Forge in 1715, many other entrepreneurs followed his lead. It was these ironworks that helped supply cannons and ammunition to General George Washington's Continental Army during America's War for Independence. This industrial development would pave the way for the laying of the Colebrookdale's tracks nearly a century later. One of the most unique features of the Colebrookdale line is the multiple wooden trestles the train crosses on its journey. This one, north of Pine Forge, crosses over Grist Mill Road next to the Ironstone Creek. The sources of the Secret Valley's industrial prosperity were the Ironstone and Manatawny Creeks, which were used to power the massive water wheels essential to the operation of the ironworks. Here, the railroad closely parallels the Ironstone Creek. Before arriving in Pottstown, the train crosses the busy U.S. Route 100. The Colebrookdale Railroad is a vital link to a time gone by in our nation's history. Please consider making a donation to the Colebrookdale Railroad Preservation Trust to support the work that they do in keeping this important part of history alive. The link to their website will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have enjoyed your journey along the Secret Valley line.